Ever wonder why it takes so long to get a replacement check from the bank? Let's find out. Welcome to the channel. Every day I explore personal finance questions that real people are asking on Stack Exchange and highlight the top answers from the community as well as any key takeaways. If you're new here, consider subscribing for daily videos just like this one. All right, let's take a look at today's question. Today we're exploring a common question. What steps can someone take if a bank has delayed their replacement check for 8 months? Here's the original question as it was posted to Stack Exchange. I'm going to scroll through it quickly so you can see the whole question, but feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry. After this, I'll walk you through the key points of the question so you get the big picture. So, in summary, someone recently got an inheritance and tried to open a bank account with it, but they lost the original check. They had to tell their lawyer, who canceled it. Now, 8 months later, they're still waiting for a new check and are figuring out how to speed things up with their lawyer. Here's the top-rated answer from the community on Stack Exchange. I'll scroll through it quickly so you can see the full answer. Feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry, I'll highlight the key points of this answer in just a few moments. In this answer, it's suggested to apologize to the check issuer for the expired check, ask them for a replacement, and to deposit the new check right away to prevent any future problems. Now, before we jump into the next part, if this video has been helpful so far, be sure to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. We post new personal finance videos every day to help you make smarter money moves. All right, now that we've seen what the community had to say, here's our take on this question. First, reach out to the lawyer or executor managing the estate to ask for a replacement check. Make sure you explain the situation clearly and ask when you might expect to receive it. Regularly follow up with both the lawyer and the bank to keep things moving smoothly. If needed, visit the bank in person to discuss the issue with a manager, which can help speed things up. So, here's what we've learned. If you need a replacement check, start by contacting the lawyer or executor to request it, clearly explaining the situation and asking for a timeline. Regular follow-ups are key, and visiting the bank to discuss the issue with a manager can also help prevent delays. Thanks for watching. Before you go, did you learn something new from this video? If so, be sure to drop a like on the video to let us know.